Hi guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with us platforms where you can download free images for your work. One of the challenges that designers face is actually getting images they can use for their projects. Images that make their designs pop according to our clients. So today I'm going to be walking us through some platforms where you can get free images when you don't have the budget to go for premium images. The first one is stocksnap.io, right? So the beautiful thing is that you can search and filter any image that you want, and images are high resolution. You can see this one. Let's say you are creating something that has to do with family. This is a good image to get started with. They can also give you like suggested images, like paid images if you're interested, but you can always search for type of images that you want. You can see lady laughing. Yeah, and it will filter the images to your taste. You can see all the ladies that are laughing, and you can select to you can choose to select the one that fits the project that you're working on. Yeah, so that's it for stocksnap.io. Yeah, just check them out. The second platform is Pexels. I really love Pexels a lot because they also have a plugin on Figma. You can actually get images directly from Pexels on your Figma file without leaving your Figma platform. So you guys might need to also check that one out. I like Pexels because they have like unlimited images that you can explore. You can see amazing images that they are using. Let's say you are creating something that has to do with couple, right? Couple images, just type and it will filter all the couple images that they have on their platform. You can see this one is really so nice. You can see this is really so nice. So you filter and use the one you want. And one thing I like about Pexels as well is that they have free videos that you can use. So you can either search for images or you search for videos, right? Let's search for, I've selected videos, right? So if you search now, all the options that we're going to get will be like video clips that we can use. I've really used them. There was a project that I worked on that required like heavy using of videos. I really enjoyed using Pexels a lot, Pexel videos. So you can check it out in case you want to use videos for your project. That would be a nice place to explore, right? The next platform is PicJumbo.com. Yeah, so PicJumbo.com also have like random images that you can use. Let's say you want to explore images for maybe like offices and all. You can see this one is an AI generated image. You can select and you can see it's high resolution, right? You can use it for free. Yeah, you can use it for free. Then you have you can also search here, right? You can also search to filter the image you want, or you can filter based on the options that have been listed here. So you can filter based on people, shows you all the images that capture humans here, right? And you can maybe like filter to get to what you're looking for. Yeah, that's it for PicJumbo, and all the images here are free. So you have another one is Splitshare. Splitshare also has like images that can be used, right? You can search to filter the images that you need. You can search to filter by categories, right? You can see all the categories here. You can see technology, nature, things, and people. Let's say you want to filter images that has to do with technology. You can see all the images here available to you, like high resolution images that you can use, right? You can use, let me try to go back. So select any of the images that falls under the project that you're working on. Like, look at this one. Look at this one is really, really cool, right? This is really, really nice, and you might want to check it out. Yeah, just check them out. You can see how clear and clean the image looks. So check them out, Splitshare.com. Then the next one is Kaboom Pics. Right, Kaboom Pics. One of the things I like about Kaboom Pics is that when you select an image, it shows you like the color palette that is captured in that image. You can see it shows you all the colors that are associated with the image that you selected, right? And you can also search, right? You can also search to filter your options, that the ones you want. So you search and put in your keywords and it will filter all the images that you want. I just like that part of it, like bringing out the color palettes. I don't need to be the one to be figuring out the color palettes that I need to use. That you can really explore with this. Instead of you using the generic background, you can actually take off the background and use any of the color palettes that has been suggested for you, and it will fit in well into whatever you are designing with this picture, right? So you guys might want to check them out. The next one is Reshots. This shot, basically, it doesn't have like human pictures. Basically has free illustrations and icons, and I really like them a lot because their illustrations are so cool, right? Illustrations are so cool. We can search for let's say office. Let's see if it can filter illustrations on office. You can see like office illustrations that we can use for our design, which is cool and amazing. They still have like even more options. I think they also have options here you can filter from either illustrations or icons. So if I change it to icons now, it's going to filter all the options here to office. You can see like all the office icons available on the platform. You can check them out. So this is one of the places to get icons and illustrations for your design, because it's not every time that you're designing that you need to use like real human pictures, right? You might want to use maybe like illustrations or icons. So it's a good place to explore. The next platform is Unsplash. I think everybody already knows about Unsplash, but I needed to bring it in because they have like variety of pictures and unlimited pictures. I mean, it's like, I think Unsplash is one of the platforms that you get to know when you just start out as a designer, right? And it's very popular, right? I like the work they're doing, and they have high resolution images, right? So you might want to also check out Unsplash. You can also search by keywords. You can say, okay, let's search yoga. If you search your yoga images that you can use for your design, which is really cool and amazing, right? So the next platform is Pixabay. Pixabay, I really like Pixabay a lot. They have varieties of images, like unlimited images. You can search to filter what you want, or you can search from any of the options here. You can also get illustrations, right? You can also get illustrations on Pixabay. You can see amazing illustration. So beyond images, they are giving you illustration. You can also search vector, right? There are also illustrations. You can also filter videos. They also have like free videos you can use for your designs, right? They also have free videos. You can see them, get free videos, royalty free videos and images. You can also search or filter by these guys, and it will filter all the options under the forest criteria that you have, or forest category that you have selected. So you guys should check them out. So you can also randomly search. You can search maybe like happy people, right? Happy people, it will filter out all the happy people, right? Like this one, the reason it's showing us video is because we selected video. If we selected images, it will just filter all the happy people images that we can actually select from. You can see amazing videos free to use, right? So you guys might want to check them out. The next one is Freepik. Yeah, Freepik is actually one of the most popular platforms where you can get images, right? They have both paid and free stock images, right? So you can just search. One of the ways you know that an image is free or is premium is when you search. Let's search for happy people again. Let's search randomly again, happy people. I'm sorry, happy people. Search happy people. You can see all these ones that don't have like key icons on them, or key icon. Okay, I think crown. Freepik uses crown, not key, right? Not padlock icon. So all the ones that don't have padlock icons on them is free. Why the ones that have crown icon on them is paid. So if you want to access these ones that have crown icon, you need to probably subscribe to their monthly subscription and then get access to it. But I think the free ones should be enough for you to use and explore. You can see this one, and all the images are also high resolution as well, right? So you might want to check out Freepik. Yeah, because they're really popular, so I like them. They also have videos, but I think their videos are actually premium. Their videos are paid. Okay, I think they have option for free. Okay, I didn't know that. I've not used their free videos before, so they have options for paid and free videos as well, so you guys might want to check them out. You can search. They have like unlimited images that you can use. Like literally any project that you're working on, you are likely to get an image that fits for that project on Freepik, so you can check them out. Another platform is Shopify stock photos, right? A lot of folks don't know about the fact that Shopify have their own stock photos where you can actually get free images to use for your work, right? They make this available for those that use their platform to sell and maybe do whatever they want to do, right? So Shopify stock photos, shopify.com/stock photos, just check them out. So let's say I want to design something, like I'm designing something that has to do with the Locoshop. So I just filter and it will show me all the image options under the category that I've selected. You can see like free high resolution images that I can download, right? I can also search. You can also search and get what I want. If I say happy people, right, and say, and let's say happy family, right? Happy family, you can see, okay, so that it doesn't have that option. So I think probably they have like limited. You can say happy people. Let's see if they have. So they have like almost 20,000 free images that you can use. You can see this. You can see this, so you can use for your project. So you want to check them out. I believe when you explore most of these options that I share with you, you'll be able to find something that fits into your design. I hope this helps and you find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for staying to the end of the video. Bye.